Hi everyone, hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ramya from Desi Girl 1010. So today I have a random Walmart haul, just some products, beauty products especially, that I've purchased from Walmart, and I quickly want to share that with you. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, I have been really dying to try a leave-in conditioner. This is by the brand Aveeno, and this is basically the Nourish and Condition leave-in treatment with nourishing wheat complex, and it's a spray that you can spray in your hair when it's wet or dry, and you can just rub it through and you don't have to rinse the conditioner. So I'm very excited to try this. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see a review or demo about this. And the next is, I was out of my body wash, so I wanted to try this Caress body wash. I've heard a lot of good things about the Caress body washes, and this are the flavor burnt brown sugar and Carrite butter body wash. So that's that. And I'm also out of our shampoo, so I picked up a huge bottle of the Herbal Essences shampoo. This is in the Body Envy volumizing shampoo pump, and this is a 1 liter or a 33.8 fluid ounces, so it's going to last pretty long. And I think shampoos with pumps are more convenient and very comfortable to use instead of keeping on pouring the shampoo in your hands. So I found that to be very convenient. The next are these Biore nose strips. This is face strips, and this is a combo pack. This has face strips and nose strips as well. I've talked about these in one of my previous favorites video. Absolutely love these strips. They remove all the dirt and the crap out of your pores. So that's that. And the next are a couple of mascaras. I've been on a mascara kick. Stay tuned for a mascara review and demo of all of these mascaras. So I picked up the NYC Big Bold Curl. This is Extreme Black 855. The next mascara I picked up is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. This is one of my favorite mascaras from the drugstore. I have used this in the past and I've gone back to this now. So that's the second mascara. And the third mascara I picked up is the Maybelline Volume Express, the Rocket Mascara that comes in a tube like this. I'm actually running out of my mascara, so I was on the kick to try some new mascaras. And I purchased a pair of fake eyelashes. This is my first fake eyelashes and I'm very excited about this. I just have to pick the Revlon Lash Glue Adhesive and I think I'm good to go. And this is the Salon Perfect Demi Wispies, and that's how the lashes look like. And the next is a Maybelline Color Tattoo. This is in the shade Pomegranate Punk. I basically bought this for my sister. She lives in India and she wanted to try a color tattoo, and I thought this is going to be a perfect shade for skin tones like ours. And I picked up this big bun. This is the donut bun by Claire's. I'm literally obsessed. I bought one for myself and my mom wanted another one for herself, so I bought this from Claire's. Really good. I have a get ready with me video, but I've shown you practically how to wear this, and you must be seeing that video very soon. And I picked up another product from NYC. This is, sorry about that, my memory card was full, so I went back and deleted some old files. So I was talking about this NYC eyeliner. This is basically a crayon eyeliner and it's in the shade 935 Moody Blue, and that's how it looks like. It's basically a pencil, and I haven't opened it, so stay tuned for usage of this in a tutorial or a demo, or if I'm not sure, I will put this aside for a giveaway. And the next is this NYC polish, and this is in the shade 142 Preppy Pink. I'm actually going to do a beauty swap with one of my friends in here on YouTube, so stay tuned for that video. I'm pretty excited. So I've picked up a couple of products for her. And I also picked up this NYC lipstick in Berry Rich. This is one of my favorite lipsticks. I recommend this to anyone who wants to try a mauvey kind of shade. And I'm going to swatch my lipstick. This is my lipstick right here, and I'm almost running out of it. I'm going to go ahead and pick a couple of backups for myself. So that's that. And the last product is this Maybelline Baby Lips, and this is in the shade 20 Grape Wine. That's how the packaging looks like. So this is a very quick random beauty slash beauty products haul from Walmart. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up or comment below and let me know if you liked and enjoyed this video. And please subscribe and support my channel, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.